Guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be taking a look at Audiful's Neon Punk gaming chair. This is the black version. It also comes in white, which I gotta say, both versions look incredible. But yeah, they did send this out for me to check out, so we're going to go ahead and build it here, as you guys can see, and then just kind of check out first impressions, features of the chair. I will say, at this point, I have been using the chair for a few weeks, and it's pretty much my go-to when it comes to my regular work day. So I pretty much I work call center style job, and I'm sitting down for at least 7 hours of my day. And this is the main chair. I love this chair. I've used a previous version, different design, but I gotta say it's one of the most comfortable chairs I have in my possession. Alright, so it's obviously no surprise that I'm a huge fan of the Audiful gaming chairs. But, you may be asking yourself, hey Juan, what sets this chair apart from all the other chairs you've reviewed on the channel? Why do you like this one so much? Is it because they sent it out to you? Is it because it's free? And honestly, no, I think it's this right here. Is the sides and the cushion itself is so incredibly comfortable to sit in. I'm not necessarily like a huge heavy guy, but I am around 185 pounds, and most of those pounds are in my thighs. So I have pretty big thighs, and the kind of sides they kind of hold me just so perfectly, and the cushion itself is really comfortable to sit in. So I would say that's what sets it apart. That's what makes this chair so comfortable. That alone, the base alone, is what makes this one of my favorite chairs. But I mean, the cushion itself is not the only reason why I like the chair. I think this design, the Neon Punk design, is so freaking dope. Of course, it kind of matches with the theme of Cyberpunk coming up pretty soon. But you gotta admit, the pink, the blue, the little symbols on the chair itself, I think that looks fantastic. It looks so clean, and of course, especially if you guys have seen a lot of my videos, it kind of matches the aesthetic that I go with here on the channel, which is pretty much that whole neon vibes, kind of like a Vice City vibes. But man, it looks so good. I think Audiful did a phenomenal job with the design of this chair and the color combination as well. I gotta say that the little cushion for your neck is actually really comfortable. It's not one of those that kind of like sticks out so far where it's kind of bending your neck in such an uncomfortable position. I feel like this one is like made specifically for me. That's how perfect I feel in regards to the little head cushion. It's not too thick, it's not too thin. For me, it's just the right size. That's why I really love this thing, and it's very easy to put on, and it looks cool. It looks pretty clean. Alright, I could go on and on about things I like, but here's something that I kind of dislike that just sticks out in my head, is this little back pillow. It's not the same material that the little neck pillow is made out of, which makes no sense. I feel like it should both be made out of the same thing. And also these straps, they just don't make sense. I really don't know how to strap them in. I don't know if I'm dumb or something. Do they go underneath? Do they go on the sides? I don't know. It looks cool. It's a nice pillow, but is it comfortable? Nah, they could have done a better job, I think. So you guys kind of already, can sense where I'm going with this whole impressions review on the chair. Honestly, I have nothing but positive experiences while using the chair itself. It's very durable, so it seems. We'll see how long it lasts in my possession. It's really comfortable. That's one thing I can say without a doubt. I work in this chair for a good 7 hours per day, sitting down, kind of call center style. And I have never once felt uncomfortable in that chair. I have never once sat up and thought, oh wow, my back hurts, my legs hurt. Nothing like that. It's super comfortable. I love that for this chair. I will say, on the website, the chair is coming around like 360 plus. With a discount right now, it's usually retailing for $400. And I gotta say, I think the $400 price mark is a bit too much. I kind of understand it's a special edition, the Neon Punk design is kind of a special edition, but still, I think $400 for this chair might be a bit too much. Around $200, I think that's where the price fits just perfect, especially for most people, with everything that's going around, with Rona and stuff. But besides that, it's a great product. It's comfortable. I hope it lasts a really long time because, again, I just love everything about this chair. But yeah, my only opinion on this, kind of negative, is the little cushion for the back and the price point. I think that might be a little bit too much for a lot of people. I don't think it comes up anywhere as close in quality as the Razer Isker, which that one is priced at around 400 plus. I think that one is definitely worth the price that it's set out to be. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. These are my, my general opinions on the chair. If you guys have any questions in regards to the chair itself, let me know down below. I always do my very best to answer all your questions. But yeah, subscribe to the channel if you guys want to stick around for more content. I do post here weekly. But with that being said, guys, take care. Be safe out there. I know it's crazy times, and I will definitely be catching you guys on the next one. We're pretty close to 2,000 followers here on the channel. It's been a phenomenal year for the channel here, even though with everything that's happened, all the love, all the positivity, all the support that I've gotten here on the YouTube channel, it's incredible, and I just want to say thank you guys so much. But okay, I've rambled on a little bit too much, so let me go ahead and get back to grinding some Apex. All right, happy gaming, guys. Take care. Bye.